Hey guys, wanted to do a quick review of this little portable speaker. This is called the Marshall Willen. Now, this thing boasts a 15+ hour battery life, really rugged design. It almost feels like tire rubber on here, so should be really durable. It's also IP67 rated, so we are going to test all these things to see if this is something that is worth getting. But instead of me actually testing it, we're gonna have our camera guy, Kevon, test it because he's actually never had any experience with this speaker. So we're actually going to get his review on how he feels on it, especially for someone using it the first time like you guys are if you are planning to buy this. So, gonna flip it over to Kevon.
All right, so off the bat, I've been handed this to just take a quick look at, seeing how I've never used it before. But off the bat build, not bad. It's pretty solid. The rubber around it seems pretty nice. It almost feels like a tire rubber, if I had to say. And the front, though, the front feels kind of plastic. I'm pretty sure it is plastic, actually. So that I'm a little concerned about, but who knows? Maybe the rubber does enough to protect it the way it's raised up and has a lip on it and everything. Otherwise, the top, there seems to be some lights, the buttons for the battery, the Bluetooth connection, so you can see it. So that's good. But yeah, overall, build quality is solid. Let's go smash it into the ground. All right, drop test with music. Okay, it's still going, so that's pretty cool. The music hasn't distorted at all. We'll try one more time. All right, I mean, most people aren't going to drop kick a speaker, so I think the quality is pretty good as far as the ruggedness goes. I'm actually kind of surprised the front didn't get damaged. There's a small little nick, but I think that's just from it making contact with the concrete. So not bad, really good quality actually. Next thing on the list, I hear it's water resistant. Music's playing, so we're going to see how it goes with that. In any case, crap, it's actually still playing. That's actually impressive. And I think, unfortunately timed, while we were doing that, the music did cut off because I think it was the end of the song. Yeah. So I'm intending to do it again now. All right, water test, take two. That's actually nuts. It's still playing. I'm actually kind of surprised at that. Because that's not like it's not a light water pressure either. But no, yeah, it's still going. I'm actually really surprised. No damage. So when they say it is actually sealed, it seems to be sealed. I'm a little concerned about the back here because there are holes and it definitely got water, but I'm sure it'll probably be okay. We'll have to find out later. Alrighty, so music is still playing. Mainly because I'm too lazy to turn it off, but everything seems to still be working. The last thing I was going to look at is this little strap in the back. So also rubber, it seems to be the same type of rubber around it. Okay. So it actually detaches, which is cool. So you don't have to force it over something. We just do like that, snap that into place. Man, that's useful. Yeah, so honestly, not bad. So yeah, honestly, if you're out and about, maybe hanging out like a pool party or something, and there's like some pole near you, you could just slap this to the pole and get your music blasting, and it'd be pretty good. Not bad at all, honestly. So quality, I'd say it's actually really up there. It's like a 9, 10 out of 10. Sound is still going. Again, it still sounds a little bit muffled because there's probably water in it, but once it dries, not bad. And yeah, ease of use, 10, that's pretty solid. And all for a pretty decent price tag, so not bad. Anyways, I'm gonna hand it back to Junior for the rest of the review.
All right. That wasn't actually the first time he threw it at me. The first time he threw it at me, he actually hit me in my chest. It was just for the sake of transition. But yeah, overall, thank you guys so much for watching our review of the Marshall Willen. This is a little kick butt speaker that really surprised me and really exceeded my expectations, honestly, in a lot of ways. So yeah, I would give this speaker like a solid 9 out of 10. Kevon, would you give it, like a 10 out of 10?
For me, I'd say 10 out of 10. That's
yeah,
impressive.
It's very impressive.
I abuse that.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. And if you're interested in this, there will be a little affiliate link in the description as well. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.